Okay, the first step to check the country France national debt.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Create content effortlessly. Click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
A couple different websites. We have tradingeconomics.com, and we can see we have a chart right here, and we click this drop down arrow. You can see that we have a line chart, we have a bar chart, and this goes all the way back from 1996 to 2023, and this is, as you can see, in billions, 3.1 euro billion. You can scroll down, you have a little bit more information, but this is pretty much self-explanatory. The next website is macrotrends.net. Basically, this website will also show you the GDP debt from 1960 to 2024, and you can see from the year 2021 all the way until recently of 2018. Scroll down, we also have a website that will show you we're in an uptrend, or this country is in an uptrend, because I don't live in France, of debt. And as you can see, you scroll down, you have all the different years dating back until 1960. Third website, my favorite in my opinion, is usdebtclock.org. Country France ranks in 7th, and they have $3.778 trillion in national debt. And as you can see on the left hand screen, it even says their population and etc. completely for free. I hope this helped.